Trying to think how we started it again. The hose out. So which part am I up to? Sorry. Let's do a pump out. So we've already worked out, this is our waste point, this is an air point. We're right next to the dock and we've worked out that the hose is long enough. So my trusty assistant Barry is going to pass it to me. Thank you, Barry. This one's a direct fit, but there are adapters available if the hose isn't the right size. We'll put it straight in the hole, push down firmly. We're then going to unlock the valve so that any waste can flow freely. We're now going to walk up to the main sanitation point. I shall just jump down. It's a bit windy today, as you can see. Right, our main pump out station. We have two buttons fitted here. Green obviously is go, red is your stop. So we'll hit the green button, you'll hear it burst into life, you'll probably feel the pontoon shake a little, and it'll start drawing the waste down. With a boat this size, it's probably going to take 15 minutes to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to pause this stage to do a tank flush, which is like you'd have at home. So we'll hit the red button and it'll just flush any of the waste that's left remaining in the tank to sort it out. So we'll pop up, back on deck and do it now. We'll lock the hose off again to make sure that nothing comes out of there. Barry will pass me the hose over. Thank you. And when the water's flowing as it is, a couple of minutes just to flush it through, and then we'll shut it down. We'll speed this process up because we could be here a while. We'll push the hose back in, unlock the line again to make sure it's there. The button will be hit again so that when it all flows through, everything's sucked out of the tank and it's dry. You'll notice that nothing's now coming out of here because that means it's now empty. Pump out's complete. We'll lock the valve off. Put the hose back down on the side and remember to replace your caps. With that done, you've completed a pump out.